Hi, welcome to another vlog. Today I thought I'll take you guys along with me because I have a very chill day for a change, and I started the day off with some yoga which I could barely keep up with because yesterday was a very intense day, and today I just could not. You can literally hear me grunt and like gasp for breath as I'm doing yoga. Getting nauseous and getting giddy. Oh. And today I have Nikita over. I am meeting her after such a long time.
I swear, feels like ages, and look at what she did to my eyes.
Yeah, we played a little bit with the liners, and yeah, so we have a very fun lunch date planned, and we're also meeting Jaanvi and her sister Aashna after I've never met Aashna, but I'm meeting Jaanvi after a long time, so I'm very excited. And yeah, just got dressed. Let me show you what I'm wearing. Very simple as always, and Nikita is trying to do some PR stories while I was just getting ready. This is what I'm wearing, very casual. The shirt is from Mango. These shorts are from Zara. Just did my makeup. I'm wearing Dilemma on my eyes. It's such a pretty lilac. I love the shade, it's one of my favorites. And now we are just getting ready to leave.
Say hi to Jaanvi after so long.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah. We met her like after 3 months. 3 months. And here is Aashna and Debasree.
Hi, I'm just like settling down.
Yeah, she faced a lot of trouble with the parking.
My name is Amol. So I'll explain you about the concept, ma'am. We are modern British plus we are meat tap. The meat is a fermented alcoholic drink which is made from honey, yeast and water. Yeah. So we are serving various types of meat. I'll start with the meat tester. I'll explain you one by one. Yeah?
Okay. Sure.
Oh, I've tried these at that Vietnamese place. No, the Vietnamese place also in BKC has this.
New Saigon.
Yeah, New Saigon. Yeah.
It's our only, ma'am.
Yeah, it's the same. Yeah.
Start with the nectar, ma'am. This is a traditional meat. I call it traditional meat, ma'am, because we are using honey which we are getting from Tripura meat, ma'am. So I fermented hibiscus meat. Then next to the Hopi Saurus.
This one was really nice.
This meat is made with the 3 different hops. And come to the Hoi Lager, it's a Vietnamese lager style beer which made with rice.
I loved that one. I think that's the one I had there. Yeah.
Then come to the 2 seasonal meat, one Bombay East Turtle. So this is salted guava meat, ma'am. And this is the Hopi Raspberry, it's a raspberry meat, ma'am. You can have a seat, ma'am.
Try this.
Jaanvi, which one is your favorite?
And least favorite.
Elderflower.
It's geisha.
Same.
Yeah.
Geisha.
Oh, it's not elderflower.
That's the one I give.
Aashna, yours.
This one.
Hoi Lager.
It's so good.
Yours.
I'm so indecisive. I think the Hoi Lager.
Okay.
Your favorite.
Same.
I think you guys are the same.
Yeah.
Okay, now which one do you hate?
This one.
I got the lager. Nikita's deep in work.
As usual.
And we're done. How was it? Did you guys enjoy it?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
love
really
it.
good. The truffle fries.
Yeah, that was
the
really
chocolate
nice.
The beer that tastes like juice.
Yeah, that was so much fun. It's actually the next day. I came back home and I literally passed out. I tried watching something on the TV, but I was just so sleepy, especially like after day before yesterday's workouts. So yeah, I had a really nice good night's sleep, and then this morning I woke up and I actually got a massage. I got a head massage. As you can see, my hair is oily right now, and I am going to edit some videos right now, and I thought of doing a full get ready with me, which means that I will show you everything that I do, starting from my shower routine, hair care, blow drying my hair, doing a little bit of makeup, and yeah, that's what I had planned. And I also want to do a couple of like Valentine's look using my liners. We actually have a 15% off running. I'll just leave the coupon code right here so you guys can use and get them. I think they would make really cute gifts, like Valentine gifts. And yeah, I think I'm gonna close today's vlog right here. I had a nice fun chill day after a really long time, so I thought of vlogging it. Otherwise my day is usually the same, you know. I didn't want to vlog just me waking up, doing yoga, drinking coffee, working, sleeping, and making some food. So yesterday seemed a little different, so I thought I should vlog and take you guys along with me. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon.